Imagine a kitchen where you can whip up a crispy rotisserie chicken, golden fries, and roasted veggies, all at the same time, without breaking a sweat or cluttering your countertop with multiple appliances. The Kocinahome 24-quart dual-zone air fryer oven with rotisserie makes this dream a reality. This powerhouse air fryer toaster oven combo is a versatile, high-performance kitchen companion that delivers speed, health-conscious cooking, and unmatched convenience. Whether you're a busy parent, a fitness enthusiast, or a culinary adventurer, this 1800-watt stainless steel air fryer oven is designed to elevate your cooking game. Why the Kocinahome 24-quart dual-zone air fryer? Oven stands out? The Kocinahome 24-quart dual-zone air fryer oven isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a revolutionary tool that combines the functionality of an air fryer, toaster oven, rotisserie, and more into one sleek stainless steel package. With its dual-zone versatility, large 24-quart capacity, and 10-in-1 cooking modes, it's built to handle everything from quick weeknight dinners to elaborate holiday feasts. Here's why it's creating buzz among home cooks and food enthusiasts alike. Dual-zone cooking magic. The standout feature of this air fryer oven is its dual-zone design. Cook a main dish and a side simultaneously in two separate zones with independent temperature controls, ensuring no flavor crossover. Need a smaller portion? Use it as a single chamber for quick, energy-efficient meals. This flexibility makes it a top choice for anyone seeking a multifunctional air fryer oven. Massive 24-quart capacity. Perfect for families or entertaining, this air fryer oven can handle a 5-pound chicken, a 12-inch pizza, or 4 pounds of fries or wings. Multi-tier racks and a removable divider let you cook multiple dishes at once, saving time and effort. It's a game changer for hosting gatherings or meal prepping for the week. Lightning fast, even cooking. With 1800 watts of power and a 360-degree air circulation system, this air fryer heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit without preheating. Dual fans ensure even cooking, delivering crispy exteriors and juicy interiors without burning or undercooking. The rotisserie function shines for whole chickens and kebabs, making it ideal for fitness buffs craving protein-packed meals or vegetarians roasting vibrant veggies. 10-in-1 versatility. From air-frying crispy fries to baking fluffy cakes, roasting steaks, or dehydrating healthy snacks, this oven offers 10 cooking modes: air fry, roast, steak, fish, rotisserie, pizza, toast, bake, dehydrate, and unfreeze. The intuitive LED touchscreen makes switching modes effortless, inspiring creativity for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Healthier cooking made simple. Cut oil use by up to 85% and cooking time by 50% compared to traditional methods. This air fryer oven delivers the crispy textures you love with fewer calories, making it a favorite for health-conscious cooks who don't want to sacrifice flavor. Easy to clean, built to last. The stainless steel interior is durable, safe, and a breeze to clean. Dishwasher-safe accessories and a removable divider make post-cooking cleanup quick and stress-free. Plus, the double-layer glass door locks in heat for efficient cooking while keeping safety first. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. Time-saving efficiency. Cook multiple dishes at once with dual-zone technology, slashing meal prep time by up to 50%. Perfect for busy weeknights or hosting friends without the chaos of juggling appliances. Healthier meals, guilt-free. Enjoy crispy, golden results with 85% less oil, making it easier to stick to fitness goals or cater to health-conscious diets without compromising on flavor. Endless culinary creativity. With 10 cooking modes and a comprehensive cookbook, this air fryer oven inspires you to experiment with everything from dehydrated fruit snacks to juicy rotisserie chicken. Hassle-free maintenance. The stainless steel interior and dishwasher-safe parts mean cleanup is quick, so you can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing. Family-friendly capacity. Feed a crowd or meal prep for the week with a 24-quart capacity that handles large portions with ease, making it ideal for families or entertainers. Who is this air fryer oven for? This air fryer toaster oven combo is perfect for busy families. Prepare quick, healthy meals for kids and adults alike with enough capacity for large portions. Health-conscious cooks. Fitness enthusiasts and vegetarians will love the oil-free cooking and versatility for protein-rich or plant-based dishes. Home entertainers. Impress guests with perfectly cooked roasts, pizzas, or appetizers, all made in one appliance. Beginner cooks. The intuitive LED touchscreen and included cookbook make it easy to dive into cooking with confidence. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.